Ginger, garlic, and lemon combo. You've heard of ginger, garlic, and lemon for colds. But what about its massive impact on sexual health? According to the breakdown on this board, benefit number 1 is improved blood circulation. This potent mix acts as a powerful vasodilator, boosting nitric oxide to enhance genital blood flow and maximize sensitivity. Second, it promotes hormonal balance and vitality, supporting healthy testosterone production and keeping your energy levels steady. Third, it provides a natural spark for libido and desire enhancement, actively affecting arousal pathways to increase drive. Fourth, you get stamina and endurance support, which fights off muscle fatigue and increases physical stamina. Lastly, the combination offers deep antioxidant protective effects, shielding reproductive cells from damage, which directly improves sperm and egg quality for overall reproductive health.